is on a mission to empower senior citizens all around the world to live healthier, happier, and longer lives, and at home. This results in peace of mind for the senior citizens and also for their families. Hainunu is a holistic and innovative wellness platform for use at home, leveraging IoT, AI, and robotics. Hainunu's ecosystem and platform are already being used in China by their partners AXA and Ping An. We are very proud that Hainunu was part of Bayer's Grants for Apps Shanghai 2017 program. We believe that Hainunu will have great potential to contribute to a better life for people all around the world. Next on stage, Hainunu.
Hello, Tatia Hao. My name is Charles Bark. I'm the happy founders and CEO of Hainunu, and I'm very happy to be with you today. Hainunu has a big dream of changing the world, of elderly home care and helping the seniors to live not only longer, but healthier and happier at their home. And also helping the children to have a peace of mind where they live far away from their parents, like me, by the way. And I want to ask you a question. How many of you, like me, live far away from their parents? Raise their hand. Wow, almost half of this attendance. Thank you. This dream was born on my pain, because 5 years ago, I called my mom and I said, "Hey, Mom, how are you doing? Are you fine?" And she says, "Yes, I'm fine, don't worry." But my older brother called me and said she fell down. And then I had a shock for two reasons. Number one, I realized that I didn't have a health visibility of my mom. Maybe like you today. Do you have a visibility of your parents living far away from your home? Second, shock, what will be the next call? It might be too late. So for that reason, because I was not alone, I'm like with you, and with, by the way, 120 million of seniors in China, which is 60% of the 200 million in that case. So it took 12 years, combine R&D in 4 countries in the world to be able to create and to launch this AI InsurTech data platform that is able to help insurers to provide dynamic pricing, but also all medical players to provide the new precision medicine. So how do we collect those data? We collect those data from one box, which is our wellness kit. Everything is combined inside, and we have 3 elements in this box. One, and here we have Lily, who pretends to be our senior mother, lovely mother. We have here a DNA test box that identifies the top 10 risks of the seniors, including CVD, diabetes type 2, Alzheimer, and Parkinson. And we partner with one of the biggest DNA testing in China. The number 2 element contained in this box is a mobile phone connected with certified medical connected devices that can collect another set of data, which is the life sign of the people at home. And at the end, we have inside also this box, we have the insurance and cover also the protection with AXA, who deliver 27 6 days telemedicine, and also Ping An, who deliver for the first time ever in Chinese history accidental death up to 100 years old. So let's move to a demo with the first phone that's supposed to be the phone of my mother. Here we have here checkup button. I can select either my mother or my father. I go to the next step. It should be user-friendly, not too much text, required to take the oximeter that Lily have here. And then from that, it will retrieve some 2 biomarkers. So I will simulate, for the sake of time, And we have 2 biomarkers, and our algorithm will tell you the status with different colors. And here is very good. I'm going to the next step, which is here, the blood pressure meter. You have here 2 biomarkers, systolic and diastolic, and also the situation. I move also to the scale, connected scale. And with the connected scale, it will give me 75, obviously it's not Lily, you understand that. And at the end, to thank her and reward her for the time she spent, which is 5 minutes around per day, once a time, we have a blockchain give her a loyalty program based on our utility token, Nunu. And in case of my mom or Lily doesn't feel good at home, there is a button here, assistance directly provided by AXA 24/7. And now, what's happened if me, when I'm here with you, I want to see her situation. I have my app on the second mobile phone here. And those data has been sent to the cloud. And I'm able, wherever I am, to be connected and to see those biomarkers. So if I want to see the heart rate, I see the heart rate of today, and not only the heart rate, but also the history, and also the trend. If I take blood pressure, I see here also the measure of today, and also the trend. So it's very helpful for the medical players, like doctors, to see those trends, and to have a better diagnosis. So then at the end, they can report and send even some prescription directly to the seniors. So thank you very much, Lily, for being with me. And now, I would say that above those IoT connected devices, we have a further development, and we spent 5 years to develop this Nunu robot. Nunu in French is a nanny in English, or caring. And this is AI speech recognition and service companion that help to the seniors to feel less lonely. And if you want to have a demo, feel free to come later to our stage. So for this holistic innovation, we were honored to win some of the best awards in the world. For example, as Selina Chu, the chairman of Bayer, said, we won the best healthcare digital startup in the world for China region. We won also the best, one of the top 10 AI startups in China by Intel Accelerator, and we are the champion of AXA Insurance in all Asia. And at the end, we were very happy to be selected as one of the top 3 AI French entrepreneurs living in China by our French President Macron, who directly, since January, support us and bring us the best of French innovation from the CNRS, French Academy of Science, and INSERM in our box to complete our offer. So in conclusion, I will say that if you as a humanistic leader, you really want to be a hero, but not those kind of hero like a fictionary heroes, but the real one, you want to be a real one heroes and a game changer, please, I invite you not only to come to our booth, but to join my dream of helping the seniors, which is you parents, to live longer, healthier, and happier at home. Because in 2026, for some UN nations said, for the first time of human history, seniors will outnumber the young adults under 25. So, at the end, if you want to be a real game changer and impact the world for the good and make a better world for the people you're supposed to protect, please, welcome to join us. Welcome to partner with us, either as a distributors and deliver this wellness package in your country, and connect to our blockchain AI InsurTech platform, or as an investors that will help us to go global. Today we are in 3 countries. Next year we will move in 5 other countries, and we will be happy to do it together to fight against the silver tsunami bombing that is already started in many countries and will hit the world. It's time now to move, and if you're free to move and use your resources and your love, come to visit us and adopt our dream, and together make this a better world. Thank you very much.